Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral question. For those who have already solved this, go and comment your right answer. I will give them heart. And for those who don't, I will solve them for step-wise. Okay. As we know, we will solve with the PEMDAS. Parenthesis, explanation, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So first we will do this whole part. So we will write 16 minus bracket 3 into 5 plus 1, which is 6. In the next step, we have the parenthesis part. So we will solve this 16 minus 6 into 3, which is 18. Now 16 minus 18, which equals to minus 2. So here minus 2 will be the right answer. If you want more maths like this, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching, and go in description check out our this math book. Thanks for watching.